All right, the title and the thumbnail says it all. We got rice on the menu with a little bang bang. I'm gonna show you guys how to make bang bang fried rice. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients real quick. Back here we have our rice. It's already cooked, it's a day old. You wanna use day old rice in the refrigerator. It just works out better for fried rice. Back here we have our boneless chicken breasts here. I cut them into bite-sized pieces. We have an egg here, mayo, vegetable oil, sriracha sauce, an onion here, frozen carrots and peas, sliced green onions, garlic, sweet chili sauce here, and some soy sauce there. So that's all you need. Let's get into it. So to get started, we're gonna make our bang bang sauce. We're gonna add our mayo here, our sweet chili sauce, and our sriracha sauce. And all we're gonna do is get at a quick mix like this. All right, so this is what we have. All right, so to get started, we're gonna prepare our eggs. So we're gonna add our eggs here. We're gonna hit that with a little salt, and we're gonna cook them to the scrambled hard. That's just how I like my eggs. All right, so now that we scrambled our eggs, we're gonna remove this from our heat. All right, so next we're gonna heat about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're gonna bring that up to temperature. Once that pan heats up, we're gonna start adding our chicken pieces. I'm gonna hit this with a little salt, along with a little pepper. All right, so now that our chicken is done, we're gonna start getting it removed. And we're just gonna sit this aside. We're gonna heat up another tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna add our onions and our garlic. And we're gonna cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let these veggies soften. You wanna reduce your heat because you don't wanna burn your garlic. All right, guys, after about 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna go in with our peas and carrots. And we're just gonna get those mixed in and sauteed until they're tender. This could take a few minutes. And also the step-by-step recipe can be found on my website, ijustcookalot.com. All right, so after you soften those veggies, you wanna go in now with your rice. So we're gonna let our rice cook for about a minute or two, just like this before we start stirring it. All right, guys, so now we're gonna do a quick mix of our rice. Now we're gonna let it cook for another minute or so here. All right, before we keep going, I wanna share something with you guys that you've been asking me for, and it's still not a chef. My highly anticipated cookbook that's finally up for pre-order. Yep, no complicated steps, no chef rules, just food that makes sense in real life. So if this sounds like your vibe, grab your copy at the link in the video description. All right, so after we get that all mixed in, we're gonna go back in with our chicken and our eggs. And we're gonna get that mixed in and get it well incorporated. After we get that mixed in well, we're gonna pour in our bang bang sauce lastly. And we're gonna get that mixed in, getting everything combined. All right, so we got that baby well combined. This looks good, it smells good. We're gonna turn our heat off and let's move over to our cutting board. All right, so I got a little bang bang sauce left. So I'm just gonna, try to drizzle it around here just a little bit. And we're gonna top it off with some of that green stuff. You know how we do it. This time we're using some green onions. All right, so it's quality control time. Y'all already know. Look at this. Look at it. Man, we bring it to the congregation in front of it, man. Man, this stuff looks so good. Get some of them eggs and that chicken on there. Oh, man. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, man. Man, that bang, bang sauce. This is it. Tell you, this is it. So guys, definitely add this one to your recipes to do list quickly. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.